Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Winnie James aka Wisma, and karibu sana to Triple FL. In this channel we talk about fashion, food, fitness and lifestyle. And in today's video I am doing house tour today. Don't expect much. There is nothing much I have done with this house. Basically I'll just show you how it is, and yeah, and some things that I think I'll be changing. So karibu sana to today's vlog. Kama hauja subscribe, hit the subscription box. So let's do this, good people. This is now my route. Nimeamua kupurova just to say goodbye to the route, and I am getting to my new environment, the new route. This is outside. This is a swimming pool where you can swim. Your kids eco restricted. You're paying nothing. So, but basically because of Lona, it is closed. Hawezi tumia. This is the part of a playground. Here the small ones can be able to swing, to slide, and I love the way it looks like, and I love the outside. I love the environment. I'm just in love with this new place. Sijui kama una getting excited like me when you're moving, when you get to a new place. So when you get in the house, now this is the house. This is a sitting room, and straight kuna hiyo balcony. The balcony ina serve kama dirisha ya sitting room, na ina serve kama balcony, as in mlango wa nje, and straight ahead unaona kitchen, but we will come to that shortly. Let me get you to see the balcony and the details that ziko nje ya hii balcony. So once you get outside, this is the wacha nikufungulie ujione vile ukikaa nje, how unaifeel ukikaa na kakiti hapa hivi nje, unafanya ka editing, unafanya ka view tu, ama unakunywa ka chai. This is the view. Unaonaje hiyo parking, hiyo environment, hizo miti, asubuhi unaamushwa na tonyoni. I love it, love it, love it. This is how it looks like, and it also have some canvas lines za kufunga nguo if unafua nguo na unataka kuanika. And then kuna hiyo taa ya nje. I think there's something needed to be done. Comment below, let me know nini some setup suggest some setup za balcony. Mtu anaweza rembesha hapo. So after kitchen, sitting room and the balcony, this is the dining area. The dining area iko open, so kwa sababu kitchen it's a open kitchen, so dining area iko tu hapo, so unapika tukikuraga, and it has a boiler which I love. Comment below if wewe unafind kama boiler iko consumption yake iko juu ama iko chini. I would love to know, especially kwa wale wenye maybe mnatumia boiler. I would love to know. I love this kitchen, and the setup is just amazing. I love the interior ya hii kitchen, the colors, the finishing. I just love it. So this is how it looks like, and I love that this kitchen, unaona vile hizo drawers ziko just beautiful. Don't mind that sija clean, because basically it's because I've not moved in. I will clean it, and I'm excited about this house. It's just awesome. And the sink, maji inatoa maji baridi na pia inatoa maji moto, so hakuna kushinda ati ukichemsha maji ya kumwaga kwa sink in the evening. So this is where I'll put my cooker. This is where the cooker will fit. So fridge haitakaa kitchen, tutahamisha, I think itakaa in the dining area. So I love that it has this hand towel holders. It's just amazing. This is another door. This is a pantry door. So we will get in and see. Last house nilikuwa ninaishi haikuwa na pantry, so vitu zote zilikuwa zinakaa kitchen. So this house makes you even organize vitu by fire by force. So, and this is the hallway. So straight ahead is the common washroom. So yep, I love these doors vile zinakaa. So before we get to toilet, let's get to the first bedroom. Nyumba yenye nilikuwa naishi, it was a 3-bedroom house, so this one is a 2-bedroom house. And I love the floor vile inakaa, and then the window. If you look closely, you can see that you can even put another bed kwa hii window. Hii window yake it's just amazing. I love it. So after the window, we'll see. So I love this feeling, yeah, wardrobes, and then unaweza hang your maxi dresses comfortably. These two vitu ndio unaingiza hapo, nguo yako inakuwa iko sawa, haikunjani, because hizi vitu unaingiza hapo ndani. I also love the setup hapo. You can do books. I just love it. It is just awesome. I love the way this thing is done. I love the wardrobe. The space is enough. It is just amazing. Mm-hmm. You see it? I love it. Wewe unaona aje? Comment below, let me know in the comment section vile unaiona. Sijui kama unaona tu vitu tuna shine. Hey, this interior is just awesome. So hata ukipanguza wardrobe, unapanguza inaacha a nice feeling. Si ati unapanguza unaona sijui inakaa aje. So this is now the toilet. Hakuna idea, nilijua hakuna lights, sikuwa najua hakuna, I mean the bulb is not working, so sijui if you're able to see vizuri. Yep, so this one need to be fixed. It's a tissue holder, so itafixiwa. And now yes, let's get to the master's bedroom. The window is more or less the same, and I love this setup. There is a lot you can do with this space. Yep. So, and these are the wardrobes. The wardrobes are just having the same setup na hiyo ingine. So yep. And now we can get to the master's master's toilet. I love the towel holders. They are just amazing. As in, they had 2 people in mind wakati walikuwa wanatengeneza hii master's toilet. So unaona vile iko na hizo cabinets, unaweza store your makeup there, skin stuff. It's just amazing, and I love the shower. Iko na maji mob, si zile shower inatoka tu maji tudogo. Love that setup, that hata wakati unaoga maji haikuji huku kwa choo, so you are able even kuweka mats, beautiful mats. I think I would do a bathroom makeover. So yep, that is it guys. Don't forget to comment below, like this video, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.